Well, even as the government has passed the farm bills, we're seeing farmers protesting across the country, and the protests have now moved from up north, from Punjab, from Haryana, all the way to Karnataka, to Tamil Nadu as well. And right here in Karnataka, where farmers have been protesting, also you have the support being extended. Joining me now is, in fact, Yogendra Yadav. Let's quickly speak to him and understand what these protests are really about. Why is it that the farmers are protesting? First of all, so you've come down all the way, you've extended your support to the farmers over here in Karnataka. What exactly are these protests against? We're seeing them break out across the country.
Farmers across the country are saying that what the government has given is not a milestone, as the Prime Minister claims. This is a millstone around their neck. The farmers are saying they do not want corporate Raj, they do not want company Raj. And the gathering today here in Karnataka, despite COVID, despite everything, demonstrates that it is not only farmers of Haryana and Punjab who are worried, it is farmers across the country. It shows that these are not middlemen. These are truly farmers who are opposed to it. These are not people sponsored by Congress or any opposition parties. These are people who have opposed every single regime. Farmers are asking, if this is such a gift for us, why were we not consulted? Why do you bring it through the back door? Why is it that not a single farmer organization was on the board before or after? That are the questions farmers are asking, and that is why farmers are here protesting. 25th of this month, there would be a Bharat Bandh organized by all the farmers.
So, of course, the protest is one thing. We're seeing they are going to be here for 8 days of the assembly session, is what they've said. So, what's next now? You were saying that on the 25th there's going to be a bandh?
All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee, which is a body of more than 200 farmers organizations, has announced a Bharat Bandh on the 25th. In between, farmers are protesting all over the country, and this struggle shall continue till the government withdraw these anti-farmer legislations.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Well, in fact, there you have it, of course. That was Yogendra Yadav giving us an insight into why farmers are protesting across the country. And now we're seeing how the protests have, in fact, moved all the way, of course, from up north in Punjab, in Haryana, in other states. It has now traveled and traversed all the way till down south. Let's remind you that today, nearly about, nearly about at least a good 3,000 farmers over here who've gathered from various districts of Karnataka, be it Mandya, be it Mysore, be it Raichur, Chitradurga, and they have decided to come out today to Bengaluru right here at the Freedom Park and stage a protest and voice their concerns, much like the farmers across the country. Now, what remains to be seen is whether or not these farm bills that have, now of course come into effect actually benefit the farmers or not. In Bengaluru, with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.